Hi everyone, Chef Petey back again with another yummy recipe for you to try out. Today I'm showcasing fish fillet with tofu stir fry. It's one of my all-time favorites and I hope you like it as much as I do. Please make your way to that big red subscribe button down below to see more videos just like this one. Okay, let's dive right in. Okay, let's take a look at what we need today. I got 1 pound of tilapia. You can use cod, haddock, pollock, or any white fish will do. 1 cup of red and green peppers. 7 ounces of firm tofu, and that's like half a box. If you want to use a whole box, you can. You want to cut into small chunks like this, and then use a towel to dry it. We want to get it fairly dry because we're going to deep fry it. I got half a cup of onions chopped. 1 tablespoon of preserved black beans. I soaked it in water for about half hour and I drained it. Because usually when you get it, it kind of looks like this, and it's in the Asian grocery store. I will leave a link below in the description box, and I'll let you know where you can get these. Usually it's pretty hard when it's inside, so you want to soak it for a little bit. 3/4 cups of water or soup stock. Half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon of sesame oil, 1/8 teaspoon white pepper powder, 4 cloves of garlic minced, and 4 slices of fresh ginger minced, 1 egg, and cornstarch. And that's what we're going to be using that for the coating to deep fry. Okay, and let's begin. Okay, we're gonna prep the fish right now. Okay, basically, I'm just gonna cut them into small chunks. Okay, I put that egg in a bowl. Whisk it real quick. Mix it well, and we're just gonna dip it in the cornstarch. Okay, let's see if the oil is hot. When you see the bubble surrounding the tip of the chopstick, that means it's ready. Okay, I'm gonna do tofu first. Basically, I'm just using a frying pan instead of a wok because it's a little bit more shallow. I only got about ½ inch of oil in here. Depends on how you like your tofu. Some like it more brown, much more deep fried. others just slightly. So for me, this is good enough. Just a little brown. You just want a little structure so that when you stir fry it with the fish, it's not going to break apart. Okay, now we're gonna do the fish. Looks like it's done. Okay, we'll just do another batch here. And looks like I'm gonna have more than enough fish here, so I might just deep fry it and then maybe cook it tomorrow. So maybe you do a half a batch tonight. All right, I'm gonna keep the wok heated up here. Put about half a tablespoon of oil, and I use canola oil if you want to know. I'm gonna put the aromatics in. Got the garlic, you got the ginger, and you got the onions. And optional, if you want to add a little bit of rice cooking wine, that would be good to add right about now. And it's optional basically. Just maybe a teaspoon or so. Put in the peppers. And the preserved beans. You can put that now. Now you add your water or soup stock, and we'll bring it to a boil. I'll cover it up. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, now we can add our salt, our sugar, our oyster sauce, sesame oil, and white pepper powder. Okay, and then half a tablespoon of cornstarch plus water. And make this slurry, and then we'll thicken up the sauce here. Just add it slowly. Make sure it doesn't get too thick. Now we add in the tofu and the fish. And mix it well. And that is it. Okay, my favorite part of the video. Let's see, let's get a chunk of fish. Look at that. Nice and tender. Oh, so good. Tofu. Excellent flavor. Wow, it's just right. I hope you get a chance to try. Please share this recipe if you like it, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye. Great, so a bunch of viewers are interested in buying these black t-shirts, Dragon House t-shirts. So if you're interested, please email me at this address down here, right there. And let me know what size and quantity you want. And then we'll try to get some and get them out to you.